Hi, welcome to PRP. Please come on in. We appreciate you taking time to join us on this virtual tour. Hope you find it useful. Let's get started. PRP was started in 1938 by Manuel Green and was originally called Precision Rubber Plate Company Incorporated. Back then, Mr. Green hand-engraved rubber plates to print on burlap bags using the cutting board he procured from his mother. Now, more than 75 years later, however, rubber plates are no longer state-of-the-art, and our name has changed to PRP. PRP is in the third generation of the Green family, ownership and management, and is a certified women-owned business. We continue to serve the packaging industry and CPG companies alike, sustaining the entrepreneurial spirit Mr. Green brought to the industry. We offer creative design, production art and separations, as well as brand asset management and technical support. When designing for you, we strive to connect the dots between visual, verbal, and emotional information, creating ownable brand identities, building brand equity and presence in the marketplace. We work directly with you or with your customer to audit competitive products, analyze your target market, and offer focused design options for you that can be reproduced effectively by your desired printers. Our proprietary MIS system affords not only collaborative project management, but also affords access to information and resources almost instantly. We strive to keep the communication chain as short as possible, so whether your request is for design work, pre-press, or flexo plates, our CSRs serve as your project manager, working directly with the operators. The production manager and CSR manager work as a team to keep projects and resources on track. Whether working in Adobe software such as Illustrator and Photoshop, or in proprietary ESCO software, our operators understand your capabilities and target new or supplied artwork to best suit your needs. The work they do includes matching the art to the CAD file, adding bleed over scores or edges, trapping the light colors under the dark colors, adjusting supplied images for detail and contrast, and improving readability of type. All of this is done with the intention of improving reliability on press while maintaining the design intent focused on your printing success. We provide fingerprint plates to you at no charge and analyze the printed results, whether from a 2-color, 4-color, or more, to understand the press capability for register, type sizes, and dot game. Additionally, for process printing using cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, we include IT8 or ECI charts of color build combinations and scan the printed samples to compare prints to the original file. This permits us to build a profile for that press and analox roll setup, utilizing those inks, which we use to generate digital dot proofs for you on our Epson proofers as contract proofs. The proofs we generate for you show the line screen you will print, simulate the substrate you'll print on, and give you an achievable target to get approval from your customer. Our Epson proofers provide options for expanded gamut printing as well, should you choose to run 7-color process images. We also offer direct digital printing of corrugated board for your convenience. This department continues to grow as our customers have us digitally print and then die cut on our Kongsberg table, whether a single sample for approval or up to a few hundred prints for a test market. Our flexographic plate products include best available technologies as well as products actually invented here, tailored specifically to the printer's needs. Our plate resources afford strategic excess capacity and again redundancy of every critical path. Whether you prefer liquid plates for lightweight and environmental concerns, or require sheet plates that minimize fluting, heighten detail, and maximize the print capabilities of your press, even up to 200-line screen, and the ability to print half-point text, we give you options. For liquid photopolymer plates, film negatives are required and are generated on a digital negative printer. The clear area shows what the graphics on the plate will be, and the black area of the film blocks UV light during plate manufacturing. We also print copies of your CAD files used in our mounting department. Liquid photopolymer plates are manufactured in this department on one of our two complete 52x80 eco-friendly plate systems. Plates are made face down, with film negatives placed on the bottom glass. A thin cover film is positioned over the negs, and a vacuum is applied to draw the negs down tight to the glass and also isolate the negs from the liquid photopolymer. A sheet of polyester that serves as the plate backing is rolled up into a tube on the manifold. As the manifold moves back to start position, it delivers a computer-controlled volume of liquid resin and unrolls the polyester in position on top of the unexposed photopolymer. The top glass is lowered into position on the shims below that control plate caliper, and the exposure process begins. UV bulbs below the glass shine through the clear area of the negs and expose the polymer in the image area. UV bulbs above the top glass determine the floor or the background of the plate. After exposure is complete, the top glass comes up and a metal bar is clamped to the side of the plate sandwich. On the reclaim unit, which is like a giant rubber rolling pin, the sandwich is squeezed from top to bottom, pushing out most of the uncured photopolymer, which is reclaimed. The soap and water washout removes the remaining uncured resin with jets of hot water and a foaming soap similar to dishwasher products. After a rinse to remove the soap residue, the plates are exposed to UV light again in a water and chemical solution to ensure all photopolymer is completely cured. Another rinse and dry, and then the final post-expose and light finishing, which ensures plates are tack-free. The final step is verification of caliper and an overall quality inspection before shipment or mounting. All in all, it takes a couple of hours. There are two complete systems, and multiple workstations are in use at the same time. Digital sheet photopolymer plates, including our patent-pending Digital Expect plate technology and our cushion core technology, use sheets of extruded photopolymer that is partially cured and is coated with a carbon and wax coating. Because the extrusion process determines the caliper of the plates, the tolerance is much tighter for sheet photopolymer. The laser ablation system is called the CDI, and we have a pair of 50x80 systems with HD technology and up to 4000 dpi resolution. The plate material is held in place with a vacuum and rotates as the laser is reflected into the surface of a mirror on a threaded shaft, ablating away the coating to reveal the uncured photopolymer in the image areas. Then the photopolymer is exposed to UV light with the remaining carbon and wax serving as the mask. For printing critical halftones and fine detail on older corrugated equipment, cushion core technology adds a compressible layer directly beneath the photopolymer material, enabling your press to print beyond what you thought was possible. Digital Expect is the world's first commercially manufactured flat-topped dot digital plate. It was invented here at PRP and has been on the market since 2007, with many imitators to follow. However, the flat-top dot itself is only part of the advantage of this technology. In equipment we designed and manufactured, we also engineer the bevel to be a bit more vertical, giving 1/3 more relief depth between the dots. Most importantly, instead of all the dot compression happening at the top, like this, when we tighten up the bevel, more of the compression happens deeper in the dot, like this. It reduces fluting and it adds detail. It's simple physics. This side-by-side comparison demonstrates the improvements. After exposure, the plates go through one of an identical pair of 50x80 washout units with oscillating brushes and solvent that removes the uncured photopolymer. The solvent used causes the plate material to swell, so the plates are dried to remove the solvent, bringing them back down to caliper in these ovens at 150 degrees of moving air. Post-exposure and light finishing complete the process, and then plates are inspected for caliper and visual appearance. We recycle and distill the solvent used, up to 25 gallons for a large plate, and our primary still processes up to 100 gallons per hour. Storage tanks provide for 1,300 gallons processed and 1,300 gallons ready to process, and our backup still produces 30 gallons per hour. In our mounting department, plates used for direct print corrugated are registered onto carrier material, whether 30-point PVC, cushion back material, tin, or specially prepared polyester for Evol and Hamada high-speed presses. We pay special attention to the preparation of the mounting material and the attachment of the lead edge strips, so critical to good register on press. In addition to several conventional OptiCheck mounting devices, we have a state-of-the-art video mounting system for the most demanding register. We manufacture our own die sealer using liquefied rubber, affording a superior bond and better protection. All mounted jobs have a light impression mylar proof on the CAD layout, which demonstrates that the plates register properly and which is a great tool on press since the layout is transparent and does not shrink like paper. Plates are wrapped in paper to protect the face and shipped in solid fiber shipping tubes to protect your investment, and are typically used for secure plate storage. Remember that plates should be stored after they are dry, away from UV light sources such as skylights or some general lighting units, away from ozone generators such as motors, and in moderate temperatures. Thanks for visiting PRP on this virtual tour. We hope that you found this short video useful and that you come visit us in person whenever you can. We offer you creative design services targeted specifically at the capabilities of your printer, which improves the speed to market and saves you money at the same time. It's a great combination. Our brand management extends your virtual reach as we protect and enforce your standards efficiently and accurately. As a Flexo printer, you'll appreciate our swift service, pre-press focused on your success, and a broad array of plate solutions, all designed to meet your specific needs, including unique products invented here at PRP. And to our existing customers, we thank you once again for the confidence you place in PRP every day. We truly appreciate your business. Thank you.